It's your boy Catfish Cunny, and I'm back with another video. And we out here. Once again, we're at the hill. It's a little windy today, but we're gonna see if we can catch us some catfish. Should've went and got some bigger ones this morning. Giant red worms. These look like red wigglers. Someone's been using crawfish. To me, that's the best bait. Think somebody pick this up. Let's see if we can feel them on there. Got him. I think I got something. A turtle. Little flathead. I mean, I said flathead, little soft shell.
Do you work anywhere?
Yeah, I work at Petco.
Huh?
At Petco.
Oh, yeah?
Been there for about 3 years now. Yes, sir. I go before work, after work.
Is that the one next to the Michaels?
It's next to Target.
Oh, Target. I get those two mixed up with them.
Do you know what kind of snakes these are? I see them all the time right here. Oh, got him.
Got it, finally.
That's a decent one. Do you keep them or? Did you want them? No? Okay. Yeah, I have so much fish. Like I say, I throw them back now.
Yeah. Just for the fun.
Oh yeah.
But that's just the right size for eating, you know?
Yes, sir. My girlfriend, she wherever she goes to get her nail done, her nail lady, like they, oh yeah, but she, like, I gave it to her, I filleted the fish for her. She told me, she said, no honey, I want them whole like this. They say they eat. Oh, look at that, look at that. Got him. I was just about to turn the camera off too. Yeah. Another channel cat. Another little channel. We're getting some action right over here. Oh, I think he might be running with it. Honestly. Oh, he is. Oh, that's a decent one. Come here, boy. Yes, sir. Oh, he swallowed it. Oh, yeah, we can get that out, though. Hold on, buddy. Alright. It ain't too bad. Oh. Catfish. Yes, sir. I knew he was on there because my line got super loose. That's a good fork. Oh, got him. Got him. Ooh, got him. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You see us. We in a little hole right now. Nice little channel cat. Nice little channel. Let me just throw that. Yes, sir. Nothing up. Yes, sir. I ain't going out like no sucker. What you do? I got some film for y'all today, boy. Got some film. I done caught some catfish. I think I'm about to upload today. Yeah, I've been out here killing them. I'll get a little nibble right now. You see it? But yeah, man, I got some film today, boy. But boy, it's 84 degrees in Wichita Falls in August. Boy, I think the world coming to an end. Out here in the hoodie, I got sweats on and stuff. Huh? You say it's 190? BJ? No. He ain't shit. But yeah, man, I was just calling. I'm about to I'ma upload today. Alright. It is definitely raining. Alright, we gotta do something with this one. We ain't getting no bites, nothing. Don't even feel like we got no bait on there. I'll put one of these fat daddies on here. That's gonna get us a fish right there. Look at that. We're going head. And we going tail. It is definitely raining. But I'm a fisherman, cuz, so I ain't going nowhere. You feel me? Oh, snap. He almost took my pole in the water. Oh, that's a decent one. It's the biggest one of the day right there. Oh, oh. That's definitely the biggest one of the day. Ooh, my pole almost went in the water. Get up here. That's a decent fish. That's a decent catfish right there. That is a decent fish. Look at that. Look at that. Yes, sir. In the corner of the mouth. Hook set. Perfect. Well, that's it for today's video. If you want to see more videos like this, like and subscribe. leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Peace.